The cost of land, pretty exemplary in every way that really matters, has fallen by 16.8% in the past 24 hours, which especially is very critical. First, help level for land in every practical sense, exemplary all things considered, is at $0.00024805, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for land, sort of exemplary for the most part, is drifting at $148,603,736 in a truly significant manner. Luna truly faces obstruction at $0.00029805 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 23 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through land, certainly exemplary cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these oftentimes in a real sense, clarified some things, facts. What for the most part is essentially transient cost expectation for land exemplary, for the most part is Luna an especially wise venture. Or so they fundamentally thought. Land fundamentally exemplary help and obstruction levels and so forth in a sort of significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Luna specialized investigation, truly let us especially discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which sort of is very critical. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687, or so they sort of thought. The complete exchanging volume really remains at $23,363,779,520 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they generally thought, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17% in a sort of significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. BNB, the in every way that really matters, local coin of BNB sort of is up by 0.7 and presently exchanging at $243.64 in an extremely huge manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.71%. Coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours. Incredibly, these occasions sort of show that the market fundamentally is going in an essentially descending course for commonly present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. As of now, a very broad, extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Land commonly exemplary help and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors certainly become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that the cost of land fundamentally exemplary especially has fallen by 16.8% in the past 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of land exceptionally exemplary, Luna land sort of exemplary execution. The extremely current land really exemplary cost especially is $0.00013253 with an exchanging volume of $148,603,736 in the beyond 24 hours, especially further appearance. how support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become in every practical sense all the more especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Presently, Luna most certainly is somewhere near 16.8% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $866,260,826 United States dollars, which explicitly shows what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Land fundamentally exemplary value examination Luna cost investigation for 23 July 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time span, especially made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the land, extremely exemplary in a truly significant manner. The Luna United States dollar moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer, truly is showing an extremely present moment, basically sell in every practical sense, signal, as the MACD line, for the most part, is moving beneath truly signal line which fundamentally implies in every way that really matters, bears generally are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Luna specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the sort of current economic situations, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. While Luna's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 81.25 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and transient pattern, sort of inversion for the most part is conceivable, especially further appearance how 23 July 2023. In this video, we will basically walk you through land in every practical sense. Exemplary cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly. Basically got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for land exemplary, especially is Luna a genuinely wise venture, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, which basically shows that right now, a very broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. The especially relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Luna coin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI explicitly is at 29, showing how first help level for land certainly exemplary especially, is at $0.00024805 in an extremely large manner. The land